In this video, we're going to look at how you can use the len and substitute functions to write a formula that counts the number of slashes in a URL. Now, this is a useful formula to use because what it does is it will show you the kind of folder depth of a URL. So it will show you how many folders a URL has, or how many folders a page is deep into your website, which will then allow you to kind of get an understanding of where different pages sit in the site structure. You know, are they like a top level category page, or are they a page that's further down the site hierarchy? So we've got a list of URLs here from the Microsoft website, and we're going to use a len and substitute function that basically counts all of the slashes in these URLs minus the first two slashes, as these are the protocol slashes which don't count. So what we're going to do is type out equals len, and then we're going to specify cell A2, and then we're going to do another len function, and this time we're going to do substitute, and we're going to specify A2 again, and then what we're going to do is the old text is the /, and then the new text is just going to leave this blank, so just do 2 quotation marks like that. So what this will basically be doing now is counting all of the slashes. It won't be counting up, however, the regular characters, as we're subtracting them out of this. So close this off, and then we need to add -2 at the end just to remove the 2 slashes which we have in our list here for the protocol. If you had addresses that didn't have a protocol at the beginning, if that was the kind of data you're working with, if it was just the domain name and then followed by the path, you wouldn't need to add this in, but because we do, we're going to add that -2 in there. Then we're going to hit enter, and here we get 1 slash, which is correct. It's just counted that slash here. And then if we fill this down, you'll see that we get different slashes depending on how deep the page is. So just zoom out a bit so we can see a bit more of that. So for example, here we've got 3, and that's because we've got this folder here, and then this page. And then here we've got 2. It's the engb /download, whereas here we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see how this kind of allows you to see how deep different pages are on your website, or how high up they are in the hierarchy. And this could be useful for a range of reasons. It might be that you want to approach analytics, or making content edits to them in a different way. So it's another way for you to categorize your website data or URL data in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.